Hi, in this video, I will show you how to order from Shein cash on delivery. So in this tutorial, I will walk you step by step through the process of ordering from Shein using cash on delivery. Step 1, install Shein. So you have to go to your App Store or Google Play Store, search for Shein, and then download and install the official application. Once done, you can now open Shein and then create or log into your account. So you must have your account right here. If you don't know how to create one, you just have to simply log in or create using your Gmail and your password. Next step is you need to add items to your cart. So browse Shein by category or use the search bar. Tap on any product you like to view, sizes, colors, and reviews. Select your size and tap add to cart or add to bag. When you're done shopping, tap the bag icon to review your items. So for example, I want to buy bags. I'm going to scroll down or browse, and I'm going to select the bag that I want to order. Let's just say this one. Now select the color, the size, the type of bag, and then tap on add. And then here, if you have added your information, then what you're going to do is you have to scroll down and proceed to payment method. Now here, select cash on delivery. So make sure that you have input the correct address, name, mobile number. Note COD is only available in selected regions. Check if your area is supported. Place your order, and that's it. You'll receive a confirmation email or SMS, and you can track your order inside the application. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.